So I am a lover of gin, and I do talk a lot about gin, but I don't talk a lot about what I love about gin, what my favourite gins are, what I don't like, and I thought I would share some of my thoughts and views on different gins, and also talk you through my new delivery that I've just received. So we get a gin delivery from the Craft Gin Club every month, and this month I thought I would do an unboxing of September's gin. So I will do that right now. So it comes in a big box. So we're going to unbox that right now. Hopefully you can see this okay in here. There's a lot. It comes with a lot. But the most important thing is always bubble wrapped. See how we go. There's so much. There's so much. Oh, so we've even got free tea bags. So we've got Taylor's of Harrogate free tea bags. Because if we don't love gin, we're on to our tea. So this month, this is this month's catalogue, okay? And what it does, it normally has the gin of the month in front of the book, and then there's lots of different stories, details about the founders of the gin, all the detail and story about the gin, and it's really interesting and good to have a read at that. And then there's normally my favourite bit, if I can find it. So there is lots of different cocktails. Now some of these will include the gins that you've got and the mixers that you've got, and then there will be others that lets you try different things. It tells you about the crisps that you get. So you tend to get things that accompany and complement the gin. Okay, and pickles. This is what we're after. Look at these. So lots of different cocktails, which I will do my best to bring to you throughout the month. So there's some more. I love this in the jar. It looks amazing. So that's a gin sunset, and it's gin, orange juice, lime juice, cranberry juice, and a slice of garnish. I can even do that. My gin making skills are not good. And then there's some more classic looking gins. Okay, so there's lots to read, and as I say, I will bring you them throughout the month, and we use the ingredients that come with it. So looks as if from this that this is potentially an Indian inspired gin. I'm just guessing at the minute, but we have onion Bahji things. They are authentic Indian nibbles, onion Bahjis. And these look quite delish. As I say, we have spicy tandoori chili crisps. Lots of rustling here. Oh my goodness. It's like Willy Wonka's chocolate bar here. It's huge. Crazy about chocolate, serious about people. So this is Tony's Chocolonely. Milk chocolate caramel sea salt. Oh goodness. So that is, look at the size of that. Like, can you see the thickness of that? It is huge. So that all comes with it. And then we start getting to the mixers and the all important gin. So I've had this quite a few times now. So a little bottle of Campari, and that's fabulous for having your cocktails, okay? And then I'll attempt to get into this. We have pineapple juice. The Craft Gin Club tend to do some little exclusive mixers, and this one is cocktail syrup, and it's pina colada or gin-a-colada. Our favourite one that they released was Race Car. It was amazing. So having that. There's some little garnishes here. So that's lemon and green peppercorn. So they're obviously for with your having your cocktails. And you tend to get different tonics as well. So this is the London Essence Company, and it's a bitter orange and elderflower tonic. And that's the same again, so we must be using lots of that. Good stuff. And last but not least, everything actually recyclable. So, Stranger & Sons Gin. Indian spirited gin. It's a 42.8% volume. Third Eye Distillery. And the mythical creature made famous for her gin is spotted most infrequently in the jungles of India. So, it definitely is. I've never tried an Indian inspired gin before, so that is going to be amazing. And that's us. So, this month, for our subscription, we've done not too bad. We've got our crisps and nibbles, chocolate, Way to a Woman's Heart, chocolate and gin, what more can we ask for? And our tonic. So stay tuned, we will be doing some cocktails. Tends to be my hubby that does more of those than me. And we will be looking at all of these mostly Indian inspired cocktails, which looks fantastic. There's also details all about the chocolate that's included, so we can read up on that, see where we get this big chunky bar of chocolate that I am loving the size of. We put a bit by Philip Schofield here because he is an ambassador for the gin club, and your Campari with your gin. So there's so much. The book in itself is just, it keeps you going throughout the month. Masala chai punch. Oh. So what I'll do is I'll put a list up of some of the gins, the gin cocktails, and you can tell me which one you would prefer for me to make first. But I am looking forward to reading all the way through that. So stay tuned, and we'll see what gins we come up with.